All right, guys, we got another hot video for you. This one is going to be exciting. I'm telling you, this is amazing stuff for you guys. So check this out. As you can see, I told you guys on my earlier video, and you saw me record it when I took my trades just earlier. And I showed you the setups. And so I decided, I'm still going to keep playing around until I hear from Top Step so that they can give me my live account, to get started. But as you can see, this is what I hit them for this evening. So that's about what, 3,200. 5,200, 6,200, 62 and 6 is what? 6,200, that's $6,600. Okay, 6,600 bucks. And so here we go. Market open and, hit them. Bing, bang, right there. Got them. Stuck them in the chin. Stuck them in the chin. It could have got them on the way down. Right here. And then, bang, got them right there. Got him. Look at this one. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful on the way up. Bing. And beautiful on the way down. Bing. See, so I'm telling you guys, futures market is super easy to make money, you guys. I keep telling you, don't make it difficult. So here's the deal. The good news is that you can start working with us. Me and Miss Jenny is going to be here to, show you what we're doing. You can look over our shoulders live as we're taking trades and as we're doing market analysis and stuff like that. You're more than welcome to look over our shoulder through our new program. And as I told you guys yesterday, it's dirt cheap. It's just $99, $97 a month, and you're getting up to like 12 different sessions. So look at what I made on one session. You get what I'm saying? So your one session could actually possibly pay for it. I can't make promises, but okay, look. Okay. Look, you get my point. Okay, I ain't making no promise, but y'all get the point. So here you go. Just go to our website, futurix.com, and go ahead and click on the sign up button. Once you do, you'll be able to go right into the course. I'm already signed in, so let me show you what that looks like. Very quick, very simple. Okay, so you're going to click right here. Here's the first one, and let me move myself over here. So right here, you're going to click right here on very short video, and it's about a 1-minute intro video, but it's critically important that you watch the entire intro video. Watch it, okay? And then on next week, you'll be ready to go because we're firing this class up, and we're starting this up on Tuesday. For those who, and by the way, here it will be Miss Jenny's link. Every day that you get ready to join class, you want to log into your site and make sure to click on the course and click here to get the link to Miss Jenny's class, okay? And then on mine's, it'll be here, and we're going to be changing them frequently, okay? Frequently. So make sure that you always use the link that we post in here. The trading view indicator, it will be in here. It's not fully, I did not put the full code in there yet because we're going to launch on next week. So I don't want nobody trying to do any shady stuff in advance. So that's the reason why. The only thing you would need to do for today is just watch this short 1-minute tutorial so you're fully aware of what to expect, how things are going to work. And in addition to that, I keep getting the same question from people. Hey, Uncle P, what about, how to use trading view and all this kind of stuff? Bottom line is, I told you guys, you have 1 week because we don't want to waste time telling you how to point to buttons and use this and that, because truth be told, as you can see, I don't even touch this stuff over here. I'm a brand new person to TradingView myself. I don't need all these buttons. I don't need all this stuff. It's very basic. It's going to be very, very simple. It's simpler than the MT4, simpler than the MT5. And especially when you have the trading tool that we're using, you'll easily be able to see exactly what's going on. Easily be able to. And then so when you see me taking the trade, if you want to follow along, you'll easily know exactly why I'm taking the trade. And you can do it at the exact same time that I'm doing it. Okay? So the benefit of dealing with us is two things. Number one, you'll have the same trading tool that we're using. And number two, you'll have two people who are really, really good at trading. And you guys have known about us for a very long time. So you got Miss Jenny, who's a chart expert. And then you have me, who's the simple guy and still knocking it out the park. But you'll know that what I'm showing you is working, okay? And then I'll show you my trading methodologies and how I have such a high win rate in the futures market, okay? So Futurix is on fire. Go to our website again, futurix.com. Go ahead and sign up so you can go ahead and get everything out of the way. So when we start We are not going to be answering. Oh, there you go. That's this in the alert. We're not spending time trying to explain Trading View. Okay, we're going to be straight up taking these trades. So if you're new to Trading View, it's very simple to learn. Just go on YouTube, and you'll be able to look up plenty of videos on there, and they will be able to show you exactly what you need to do on how to click the buttons and this and that. But like I said, when we go live, you're really not going to need it at all, because we're not going to be clicking a whole lot of buttons. We're not going to be using measuring tools and all this, at least in mine. I know that for sure. I don't even know how to use them. And you see, I'm doing, I can do daily videos on trades. So you don't need all that. But the bottom line is, if you want to know all that, just YouTube it, okay? So you'll be ready for our live session on next week. Okay, guys, have a good one, and I will see you in the trading room. So again, go to Forex.com and go ahead and sign up today, and we'll be ready for you. And just in case there's any hiccups, or anything that we need to help you with as far as the sign up and all that kind of stuff, we have plenty of time, because we have several days. It's going into the weekend, so we'll be able to help you so that when next week starts, we're on and popping. Okay? All right, guys. See you in the next video.